What you gonna build? You gonna build them up? Like this? You try it. Did you fall? You're okay. You undressing her? Thank you. You got a naked baby now. You got a naked baby now. Well, here. Where's our bathtub? Where's our bathtub?
Oh.
That's our towel. That's our towel.
Oh. Oh.
Are you going to cover her up with it? Oh, that's a good girl. Yeah, cover the baby with a towel. Is she cold? Did she take her bath already? You're okay. You just had me put her towel back on and now you're going to take it off? Hmm? We're not going to keep playing this game over and over. You got to learn to put it back on if you're going to always undress her. Okay, put her arm in. Let me see. Let's turn it around. And let's put her arm in this hole right here. You put her arm in that hole?
Okay.
Yeah. And put her head in her hat. Put her other arm in. And then fasten her up. And then we'll show your baby to everybody. You want to show your baby? Can you show me your... Oh, good girl. Give her kisses again. Give her more kisses. Oh, that's a good girl. Can you show her to me? Oh, and give her hugs. That's so sweet. Oh. Yeah, you're sweet to your baby.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. I'm gonna get her undressed again.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh. Who you got? Is that Snoopy? Is that Snoopy? You get Snoopy kisses? Oh, that's so sweet. Say hello, Ashlyn. Hello, Ashlyn.
That's a pig. A pet towel.
What does the dog say? What does the dog say? What? Bow wow. Yeah, can you say it louder?
Oh?
Say bow wow wow. Ashlyn. Say bow wow wow.
Ow.
No. What does a dog say? Huh? You gonna whisper it?
Ow.
What's the cat say?
Ow.
Meow, that's right. What's the cow say?
Mm.
That's right. What does a dog say? Why are you whispering the doggy?
Ow.
Yeah?
Ow.
Can you say please? No. Please. Oh, did you find a puzzle? Lay it down. This the puzzle that you want to work? Okay, let's take the pieces out. All right.
Hey.
Can you put them in? That's the sheep. Here, let me hold it still. Good girl. That's the cow. Good girl. And the horse. Good girl, Ashlyn. Yay, Ashlyn. Good girl. Oh, you dumped him out again, huh?
Oh.
Oh, yeah. All right. What are we going to do now? The cow? Is it sliding away on the carpet? And the sheep? It's the sheep.
Okay.
Okay. Sheep. And yes, the horse. Good girl. Yay! Happy Ashlyn. Good girl. Yay. Can you put the puzzle back? Can you put it back? Go put it up, please. Go put it back where you got it. Good girl, Ashlyn. Mommy's so proud of you. We're doing another puzzle. That's the red rectangle. Where does it go? Where's the red rectangle go? Good girl. The blue triangle? Yes, ma'am. That's right. And the green oval. Why do you always have trouble with the oval? Well, good girl, you got it. Yay! Wait, hey. Put this one up first, please. Put this one up first. Careful, don't spill it. You're okay. You're okay. What's wrong? What's wrong? You just gotta sit over there? Or you gotta bring me a third puzzle? And bring me a third puzzle. Be careful, you spill that one all the time. Alright, right, hang on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Right here. Let's take all the pieces out. There you go. You gotta match the animals, remember? Good job.
Yeah.
What do you got now? Oh, the crab. Okay.
Oh.
Hey, wait a minute. No, 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 no. Where are you going? I thought we were gonna work this puzzle. You didn't put this piece in. Right here? This piece isn't in yet. That's the crab. Go ahead and put it in. Oops. That's not how the puzzle works, you silly monkey. Good girl. That's in. What about this guy? Where's that go? Those the seahorses?
Oh.
You didn't put it in. Try again. That's pretty close.
Oh.
Yeah, you're kicking them all out with your feet. Here. Octopus. And the starfish.
Oh. Thank
That's right. Now what about this guy?
you.
No, ma'am. Does he look like this?
Ow.
Okay, can you put it up? The puzzle? Here. Let me make sure they're all stuck in real good, and then you can go put it up, okay? This one's a little bit harder than the other ones now to keep in here, so it is not very deep. Can you go put it back?